Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be changing the tires on my 1972 John Deere 110, and I'm going to be changing so this is like, I'm pretty sure this is the original 1972 John Deere 110 turf tire, and this is actually my dad's True Power Carlisle tires right here. So I'm just going to put this on my tractor for now until he needs it for his dualies. Go check out his channel. I'll put in the link down in the description below and at the end of the video. So these tires are really big grip, which I like the best. Obviously these probably won't be too good for mowing. It might mess up your grass, but it's better than like slipping a lot. And these barely have any tread. They're dry rotted and everything. Like even going up a silly, not even steep hill, barely an angle hill, those things slip. So I'm just gonna change it out with these. And I'll show you guys the socket size for my socket wrench that I'm gonna be using. Now let's just get to it. Alright guys, so this is the socket wrench. I got a Craftsman socket wrench right here. And I have like a Craftsman extender since right here. Get the camera to focus, phone. So this part right here is probably about 3 to 5 inches right here between the inside of the tire right here and the outside. So right here, obviously I couldn't do it because it would get caught like on the metal and everything. So I got the Craftsman extender with my Craftsman wrench. This is not sponsored by Craftsman. And then I got a 5/8 socket, Craftsman socket right here. And so these are 5/8 lug bolts right here. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking these off. Or at least loosening them right now. I'm actually just gonna get this tire out of the way. Alright. So like that. Now you can pretty much do it from hand, I think. Alright. And then now I can just do it from hand from now. From here at least. Alright. I just put it right here on the fender. Now I'm just going to do the next one. And I have to have a lot of strength. So, here we go. Yeah, it takes a lot of strength. Because you actually have to have it. Let me go get a tool real quick. Alright, so this is a foot-pounds measure right here. So you guys can see there, those foot-pounds right there. So normally, me and my dad, aka Chris Sawyer, put it at 50 foot-pounds. So let's just go ahead and just untighten these, and I'll do that. A little bit more. Right, so I put that right here. And then as you guys can see here, I'm not actually sure if you guys can see it. Let me see it real quick. Yeah, so right here, sorry if the camera keeps going out of focus. Right here is the jack. So I'm not raising the jack right yet, because if I try to undo the lug bolts, the tire will just spin. So after I undo like pretty much all of them, I'll just, I think, lift the jack up a little bit, or at least undo most of them. I'll just lift the jack up. Oh man, my bad guys. Get that stuff off. Alright, go ahead and do this one. See, as you guys can see there, the extender helps a lot for me not hitting the rim right here. Go ahead and do it by hand. Alright, 3 out of 5 lug bolts. Go ahead. Now for me, it takes a lot of strength. So I have to like stand up a good amount of the time. Well, not a good amount, but like most, like for the beginning of taking out the lug bolts. Wait real quick. Sorry guys, quick commercial break. Stop it, Tucker. Seriously. Okay, I'm cutting you out. I'm blurring your face. Alright, 4 out of 5 bolts. So I think I'm going to raise the jack. I'm going to raise it up a little bit more. Alright. See if I can. I'm just putting my pressure on the tire itself. Right there. There we go. So as you guys see here, the wheel can spin a good amount. So now I'm just gonna undo this guy right here. Sure, it's just staying on there. All right. There we go. I got 5 lug bolts out. Now I just have to carry this tire off of the axle part right here. Like that. And I just want to do a quick comparison real quick between the True Power Carlisles. The True Power Carlisles are a lot more heavier than these original turf tires. Watch, I can literally do like, I can almost, not bench press, but like, do it like this. This one, it's very heavy. Like, it is really extremely heavy. So now I'm just gonna, let's see if I can do it. Last time I tried this, I couldn't. I had to have my deck. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, I have fully just hand put these things in, just screw them in, because if you use, like you can use a socket wrench, which I did for a couple of these, and some didn't if they were easier or harder, but you do not want to use one of those not drill press, one of those air compressor drills or the socket drills or whatever they're called, because that can put too much stress on the bolt and then eventually just snap the bolt, so you do not want to do that. So now I'm just going to tighten it with the socket wrench, same size, 5/8. Just go ahead and do this. And then I'm just going to, sorry about that guys, I accidentally pressed the button on this thing. This one will. All right, got 2 left, guys. One more. I'm sorry this is a longer video. If it's a longer video than normal, or at least for the tractor series, Chief Tractor. Sorry about that. I had some issues. I forgot about how there is a tread arrow right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's right here. It says traction going that way, and so I had the other tire over there on my right. Traction going this way, which you do not want at all. That's why I wasn't fitting on right. So I figured that out pretty quickly. I didn't even remember that next time. Now I'm gonna bring over a foot-pounds measure right here. All right, I'm gonna stick the extender on there, I think, like that. See here. iPhone storage said it was up. So now I'm just gonna tighten these with my foot-pounds. My foot-pounds measure right there. I'm gonna do it to, as you guys see here, there are numbers going up. Oh, wait. There we go. So I'm gonna put it at 50 foot-pounds, which is about right there, where my top of my finger was. So let's just go ahead and tighten it. First, you gotta do it with the socket wrench, as you guys saw a couple seconds ago. All right, so that's like exactly at 50 foot-pounds. And so now I'm just gonna go into star motion like that. So now I'm going down to here. All right, 50 foot-pounds there. All right, 50 foot-pounds there. 50 foot-pounds there. Not bad. All right, so right there, right there, right there, and now right here, my last lug bolt. There we go. Those are, now I'm just gonna, I think, check it one more time just to be safe. You never know what could happen with these things. Yeah, we're all good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like my videos. Peace.